The pharmaceutical company involved in the scandal is Changsheng Biotechnology. It is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in China. The misbehaviors of the company were exposed to the public after a series of government investigations in July 2018. As a result of the investigation, 18 Changsheng Company officials were arrested after the scandal outbreak, and more than 40 government officials were punished and dismissed. The company was fined $5 million and disqualified for future vaccine production. Although the government tried to recall the sold vaccines, but a lot of them are already used or distributed. The official also promised that children can receive new vaccines. However, some damages are irreversible.
还是很恐慌啊！就算没有，那谁又能保证我们下一批不会有呢？或者说我们之前打的都没有问题呢？所以我们能做的，那就只能说花钱上香港或者别。
The public, especially parents, lost faith in pharmaceutical industry. They protested to let the government pass new laws for future drug investigations.
That itself, with good records keeping, is still possible. I guess the biggest challenge right now in public health, in terms of public health concern, is the public concern or the public confidence in vaccination. And that is definitely a horrible opportunity missed. If people, because of this horrible commercial practice, affect the hard work which the government, the society has been building for their confidence in vaccination.
If we look back to the history of the pharmaceutical industry and the improvements we made through years, there were plenty of tragedies. A famous one was the marketing of thalidomide. It happened in the 20th century. The medicine was designed to alleviate the mourn and the sickness of pregnant women. However, without a thorough understanding of the adverse effect of the medicine, a tragedy with 5,000 to 7,000 infants born with phocomelia were caused. It is almost impossible to stop all manufacturers to act evil, but we should have belief in what we have already learned in our past. And we should put more efforts in how to make the system better and how to prevent bad things from happening in the future. One thing to think about for the vaccine scandal is that how can we put the expertise of doctors and other scientists and engineers into the regulating system of the pharmaceutical industry. Such system demands better transparency of information between drug manufacturer and drug regulation departments and the doctors. With the knowledge of doctors and scientists, the medicine quality will be better controlled in the future. The Chinese government now actually requires all manufacturers to register their formula. It is a first step towards an improved system, and it hoped the new measures will ensure product quality and safety. A lot more efforts are needed in all aspects of pharmaceutical industry. The manufacturers need to hire more experts instead of managers, and the regulating system need to improve. The doctors and the customers should fight for what they should know and fight for what's right. The vaccine scandal is a true tragedy, and the current system could be depressing for a lot of people. It is true that China still have a long way to go to create a low risk for the vaccine system. However, there are a lot more people fighting together right now for a better system, and we shall have hope for the future.